I have now recorded the signal of a pendulum for around 12 years following this setup. Two big coils that can check if the pendulum comes from left or right, from the pulses, positive or negative, that arise. And then an audio sound card, mono, and then Spectrum Lab. You can watch at the spectrum and at the spectrogram how it changes. So I have recorded 12 hours. This signal is not audible with the ear, but if you multiply by 100 or 1000, you can listen, and we will. So this is the signal multiplied by 100. Looks like a frog, and you can listen that it changes chaotically. Forget the video of a visualizer media player. It doesn't have any correlation with the sound. We can also listen at the signal multiplied by 1000. And it is more near like noise because it is difficult to realize the changes. But I have then analyzed with the audio wave with the HD SDR. So for instance, this is one analysis made with a 100 signal, and try to find the correlations. And from the autocorrelation function you see that it looks that there are quite no correlation, but to double check the system, I would say that I need a totally random signal, and I have no idea where I can find a totally random signal, but I will check and put it into HD SDR and see if it doesn't change any sign, doesn't show any change of correlation. This is the next step.